Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Starcycle TV. My name is Mark and welcome to a bright, bright Monday. So what we have here is CLR performing the song Bat Ngayon Part 2. Bat is like shortened for Bakit. Bakit is why, ngayon is now. Why now? Yeah. So just a description of the song. It is the closing track of CLR's A Starving Artist album. So this piece talks about true love arriving like a rainbow after the rain. It's after uh, the pain or the challenges you went through, and then that's the after the squeeze, you get the juice, if I may. Before we give it a go, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. And sana wag kayo magsawa. Without any further delays, let's give this song a go in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, it's CLR, baby. AKA the artist from the ghetto, man.
Wish
Pemba, what's up?
107.
Basil, what's up?
Mark Beats.
Uh.
Mark Beats.
Yeah, bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit ngayon ka lang? Yeah, bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit ngayon ka lang? Yo, check this out, but ngayon part 2, let's go! Pagtagpuin man ng tadhana ang aming landasay, dahil saksi ang utak sa nakaraang pagkabingo, ngayon'y gising na sa katotohanan, pagkat hindi ko na ang mga ng paligid pinagmamastang dati nakakaumay. Gayon pa may di nagsisisi sa pagkabigo, ngagising lang nito ang aking diwa, totoong anyo di na kayang itago. Wala pati pato, ayoko na ng luma, gusto ko lahat bago. Puno na ng sulat ang kwaderong dati ay blanco. Mauna o mahuli o wala pakiwalang bilangan sa abako, kasi walang bilang ang iyong mga nakaraan. Tanging hiling ko lang ay sana ikaw na ang magpapabago ng tadhana. Sana ikaw na ang magpapabago ng tadhana. Sana ikaw na ang magpapabago ng tadhana. Sana ikaw na ang magpapabago ng aking istorya at gawin nating atin na lang. Saan ka ba nanggaling at bakit ngayon ka lang? Bistulang baghari pagkatapos ng ulan. Parang agham, hindi maarap na pakaraniwang nilala. Ikaw ang gamot sa sakit na nakaraan. Bumubuo ng aking araw at hindi makukubli na ang orasan. Tapos ngingiti ka, daig pa ang droga, sapagkat ang nadarama ay parang tanga at nababalibag. Iyon ay di ko makita, kaya huwag kang umalis. Ay, dahil laging nasasabik sa iyong halik. Nasasabik sa halik mo na matamis. Pwedeng wag kang umalis, laging nasasabik sa iyong halik. Nasasabik sa halik mo na matamis. Pwedeng wag kang umalis. Yeah. Yo, Wish 107.5, man. Pangilang ulit ko na rito, Noy, pero parang hindi kayo nagsasawa sa akin. Thank you so much. Pwede siguro bumate, no? Yo, shoutout sa Ermats ko, man. I'm here, mama! Sa auntie ko rin. Shoutout sa auntie. Tsaka kay Bay, para sa'yo talaga tong kanta na to, Bay.
Wish Exclusive
yeah.
on Wish 107.5.
Hindi mo lang alam, ikaw lang ang laman ng aking isipan. Sabik malagdaan ang ating kwento at gumawa na ng kupunan. Sa ating tahan, ikaw ang ilaw, ako naman ang alige, di mawari, pero totoo na natola na pababa ka sakali o pasakalye. Mapamerong keso mano, wala dito parate tulad ng dati. Ang presensya mo dahil kapag wala ka, lungkot ang siyang maghahari. Wag naman din sana mangyari. Yung Hi Wishers, this is CLR.
And that is the end of the song. Chill, chill, chill vibes. Very nice groove, very nice sound, like it. So from a tune perspective, it has that R&B feels. I like the presence of the piano, and then subtle, smooth bass sound. Very mood setting, something that you can play on your radio as you drive slowly on the way home. Just to set the mood. Uh, what I like about the song is the arrangement where there are two vocals, CLR, and then there's that second vocals. At the start of the song, you can hear the second vocals doing. I think CLR sing one part like "Bat ngayon ka lang," something like that, and then the second voice keeps saying, "San ka ba nang galing? San ka ba nang galing?" Uh, so "San ka ba nang galing?" Saan is where, ka is you, ba is like have been or been, nanggaling, uh, it's as like nanggaling came from or from. So it's like asking where have you been, basically, because the title suggests, why now, and then the second voice goes, where have you been, or where you've been, something like that. So what I like about these two vocal pieces is that they are like completing each other's sentence. So it just shows how mutual and how in sync they are with each other. So in my opinion, this would have been like the boy and the girl singing together, just to show that true love feels. Um, I also like the crispness of CLR's voice. He can go fast, he can go slow, he can roll vowels, or I sorry, he can roll consonants, but you can still definitely understand what he's saying. I didn't really get to type the lyrics because I enjoy listening to his voice very much, even not just the voice, but the actual message of the song. The sweetness, the cheesiness of the lyrics are just, I wouldn't say like cheesy as in cheesy corny, but like cheesy sweet, if I may. Somewhere around 2 minutes 15 into the song, on or around 2 minutes 15. So he was using another dialect or another language, Maarok, hindi Maarok. I don't understand Maarok is, but I definitely came across this in the past. If I am to guess, it probably would mean Maarok is to understand, to comprehend, or to reach. So let me know in the comments for those who understand what this means, and let me know what particular dialect it is. My favorite part as well. Kind of cute, but also funny at the same time. As the song ends, he did a shout out. First he thanked the Wish bus. He thanked Wish 107.5 for inviting him again to perform. I remember CLR because I did react to not necessarily a solo, but he was part of a collaboration, if I remember correctly. So he was thankful because Wish keeps on inviting him to perform. He also thanked his mom, and then he shouted, andito na ako. He was pertaining to reaching, the peak, or reaching maybe one of his many goals. He also thanked his ante or aunt or tita. He didn't specify, and then he also thanked his girlfriend, which he mentions he wrote this song for. So very cool and very sweet guy. And basically that's all I have. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, these are the stuff you can do to show loving to our channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Sarsicles TV. Sharing is caring, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.